Second reason why you shouldn't do that is the following. When you have copyright on Facebook and people find out, so the copyright holder, the person that owns this music, find out, they can sue you.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
Hi, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to talk about the question, can you put copyright music on Facebook? Simple answer, yes. Thing is, do you want that? I wouldn't do that if I were you. When you put it on Facebook, what will happen? Let's talk about those things. First thing is, you need to realize when you have copyright music, you do not have those rights unless you have permission. So as soon as you buy license or as soon as you buy this music, that doesn't mean you have copyright permission. So when you buy music, doesn't mean you have copyright to use it everywhere. You only have right to use it in your personal space. But when you buy those rights in order to use it for commercial use, you have permission. So if you use copyright music on Facebook, as soon as they detect the copy ID, so the content ID, they will silence, they will mute the music and other people will do not hear it. Let me give you an example. If I live stream on Facebook and if I use copyright music, after live stream, the live stream will be muted when you hear the song, the copyright music. So, is it smart to do that? No, because it's going to ruin your whole content. And it's not professional. That means you cannot afford the license, and when people look you live stream back, they're going to be like, hey, what's this? Do you want that? I wouldn't. So think about it. So if you look at the question, can you put copyright music on Facebook? Yes, you can. But the question is it professional? No. And it will be muted if the content ID recognizes your music. How can you prevent this? Get permission. As soon as you get permission, you can follow the procedures of Facebook every time it changes, but that's why I'm not going to discuss everything about it. When you have permission and you have license, follow the process in Facebook, and then your content will be unmuted. It will look professional. But if you upload a video where there's copyright protected music on it, it will also be muted. Because before you upload it, there is something that scans the whole content, and based on the audio, they will determine if something is copyright protected or not. Doesn't mean it always works, but it prevents a lot of situations when people are trying to use copyright music. So, can you put copyright music on Facebook? Yes, you can, but I wouldn't do that if I were you. Second reason why you shouldn't do that is the following. When you have copyright on Facebook and people find out, so the copyright holder, the person that owns this music, find out, they can sue you. They can sue you, find your information, they can sue you, and the question is you're going to lose a lot of things, and you don't want that. There are solutions for this. There are some companies out there, some communities out there that offer you copyright-free music for your stream or for your videos. Why not use that? Why bother look for music that everybody like, but it's copyright protected? I can understand a lot of you put some work into those things, creating those music. It doesn't give you the right to copy it and use it for your commercial use. So if you want to contribute to the effort for creating the music, just buy a permit, just buy a license. If you don't want that, look for some free options. There are some free options out there where you can use the music for commercial. You just meet the requirements. Sometimes they ask for attribution, sometimes they don't. There are streambeats, they do not ask for attribution, but you need to meet some requirement, and you're only allowed to stream on use it on 2 platforms. Look at the license, and if you have questions about it, just go in the Discord and ask me. So that's about it for this video. If you have questions about this video or anything related to copyright and Facebook, feel free to contact me, join the Discord, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be